Good afternoon, everyone. Today I would like to talk about future actions by using two main phrases. The first one is going to, the second one is using the present continuous for future actions. Actually, I have prepared something here for you to show how can you differentiate or how can you use both phrases in order to express future intentions. So as you see here in the first picture, we have a man. When we use going to, we are talking about specific temporal intentions to future events. Okay? And on the other side of the page, we find continuous form for future. We can use the present continuous to talk about the future. Both of them means well. Means what? Well. But here, the main difference between well and going to and the present continuous, that well is formal and those phrases are informal. So we can use well in business-like writing or in anything formal. On the other side, going to and present continuous, we use it in informal dialogue between you and your friend, your mother, something like that. I'm going to. So, I am going to go to Italy. So look at this sentence here. What does it mean? It is I plus what? Am. So going to plus verb. So what kind of verb do we have here? Is there one or two or three? There one. Okay, so the completion of the sentence. So this is exactly what the form of going to is. Let's go to the present continuous. Present continuous is not that different. Present continuous is exactly the present continuous that we know. She is leaving on Sunday. Very simple sentence. As you see here, we have she's. What does it mean? Okay, here we have the subject. Okay, subject and helping verb. We can contract them in a special form. I will tell you later about that. So, what kind of verb do we have here? Is it ing or ing? It's ing. Okay. What about this? Time marker. So, is it specified when to leave or not specified? Specified because we know exactly when she will leave. Am I right? So, when? On Sunday. Okay? So, this is the main difference between present continuous and the present continuous for future actions. About contractions. In going to and in what? In present continuous. Going to. Am. She's. It's. There. Where. Your. Which means you are. Okay? All of them plus going to plus what? Verb. What type of verb?
Verb one.
Verb one. Okay? Okay, is this negative or positive?
Positive.
This is positive. How can we negate this? By
Adding not.
adding not. If you would like to negate this one, just add not here. Okay? Is that clear?
Yes.
So how can we negate? By putting what?
No.
By putting. Okay, for present continuous, here we have the same. I am, she is, he is, there, you're, it's. All of them takes what?
Verb plus
Verb ing.
Exactly. Verb plus ing form. Is this positive or negative?
Positive.
Positive. How can we negate it? How can we negate?
By we're adding
the
not.
opposite?
We're adding not.
Yes, by adding not. I am not. Good?
Good.
That sounds great.